Hello friends, today we will discuss about why India frowns on Chinese ship docking at Lankan port. Frowns means is aggression view. So India whose cross-border relation with China has soared is worried that the China's built and leased port of Hambantota will be used by Beijing as a military base in its own backyard. ठीक है, हमें पता है कि चाइना ने हम्बन पोर्ट को 99 ईयर्स के लिए लीज पर लिया है श्रीलंका से. So we will discuss today. After India voiced its deep concern over the docking of Chinese research and survey vessel Yuan Wang 5. This ship named as Yuan Wang 5. It's a spy ship. So Yuan Wang 5 at Sri Lanka Hambantota port. The Blockade Island nation, which first tried to underplay the ship's visit as nothing unusual, finally backtracked and requested China to defer its arrival. But the Chinese ship visit scheduled for Thursday on August 11 at Hambantota port, which is financed with Chinese loans built by a Chinese firm and currently leased to China Merchant Port Holding after Sri Lanka was unable to pay loans, will not happen for now. ठीक है, ये चाइनीज शिप है युआन वैंग 5. ये रिफ्यूलिंग के लिए बताया जा रहा है चाइनीज गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा कि ये कोई स्पाई करने के लिए नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन ये रिफ्यूलिंग के लिए आ रहा है श्रीलंका के हम्बनटोटा पोर्ट पर. The Sri Lankan Foreign Ministry spokesperson shared with China media on August 8 that they have submitted a request to China to defer the ship's arrival. China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin slammed Sri Lanka decision and blamed the gross interference of other country. That means ये जो चाइनीज़ गवर्नमेंट है ये हमारी इंडिया को पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं इस स्टेटमेंट के द्वारा. So Wang added that it was unreasonable and senseless for a third party to put pressure on Sri Lanka on the ground of so-called security concern. मतलब ये हमारे इंडिया की स्टेटमेंट को सो कॉल्ड सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न बोल रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि जो भी थर्ड पार्टी है उसको अलाउ नहीं है श्रीलंका और उसके पर्सनल मैटर में. What are India's concern? India whose relation soared with China after a clash in the Galwan Valley in June 2020 is worried that Chinese built and leased port of Hambantota will be used by Beijing as a military base in India's backyard. This is a major concern of India because China can use the Hambantota port as its military base in Sri Lanka. Also, India remains suspicious of Chinese growing influence in Sri Lanka, which owes large amount of money to Beijing for the construction of its infrastructure projects. Also, India wants to project its strategic interest in the Indian Ocean region, wary of China's constant effort to increase its influence in the area. So, जो चाइना है वो अपना इन्फ्लुएंस इंक्रीज कर रहा है इंडियन ओशन रीजन में ताकि वो ओवरटेक कर पाए हमारे इंडिया की प्रोग्रेस को, बिकॉज India is most important part of today's geopolitics as we all know about. So is space tracking ships worrisome? Foreign security analysts have labeled Yuan Wang 5 one of China's latest space tracking ships which can be used for monitor satellite, rocket and intercontinental ballistic missile launches. So जो ये ship है Yuan Wang 5 इन सब काम के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. Some reports allege that it is dual use spy vessel employed for space and satellite. देखो कह रखा नहीं ये एक स्पाई वेसल है that can be used to launch satellite. Sri Lanka, which is currently tackling a very serious economic crisis, had initially brushed aside India's anxiety over security concerns, saying the Yuan Wang 5 was only stopping at the port of Bangkok. With an aerial reach of more than 750 km, the ship can illegally spy on Kalapakkam, कोंडालकुलम एंड द एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर विद इन इंडियन बॉर्डर. सो ये इतनी दूर तक इसकी स्पाई ईजिली कर सकता है. इट कैन ऑल्सो ट्रैक पोर्ट्स ऑफ केरला, तमिलनाडु एंड आंध्र प्रदेश एंड गैदर वाइटल इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम इंस्टॉलेशन इन साउथ इंडिया. सो दिस इज वॉज द मेजर कंसर्न फॉर इंडियंस. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स लाइक हाउ श्रीलंका डूइंग द बैलेंसिंग एक्ट. श्रीलंका हैज़ हैड to maintain a fine balancing act between China and India as the country battles with an economic crisis with zero from foreign reserve. It needs cooperation from Beijing, which is kids. It has now turned to the International Monetary Fund, that is IMF, to bail it out of this crisis and restructure its huge debt. Meanwhile, India too has provided nearly $4 billion in aid to Sri Lanka this year, including shipments of fuel and food. So many things. So, what is Beijing saying now? Predictably, China was upset. It described India's opposition to docking of Chinese ship at Sri Lanka port as senseless. It was morally irresponsible and against the norms of international relative for countries to exploit vulnerability of Sri Lanka at a time when it is dealing with economic and political crisis, said Beijing. So ये पॉइंट है बीजिंग का. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास चाइनीज फॉरेन मिनिस्ट्री स्पोक्स पर्सन वैंग वेनबिन said Sri Lanka is a sovereign state. It can develop relation with other country in the light of its own development interest. The cooperation between China and Sri Lanka is independently chosen by two countries and meets some common interest. Sri Lanka is a transport hub in Indian Ocean, Wang said, adding that many scientific exploration ships, including those from China, has stopped at Sri Lankan ports for resupply. देखो ये पॉइंट है, ये जो चाइनीज मिनिस्टर कह रहे हैं कि रिसप्लाई के लिए हम्बन टोटा पोर्ट पर डॉक आया है. China has always exercised the freedom of navigation in the high sea and fully respected jurisdiction of coastal state of the scientific exploration activities within their jurisdiction waters, Wang added. So these points are from Chinese spokesperson Wang. So this was the discussion about Yuan Wang 5 that was in Indian Ocean for docking at Lankan port. ठीक है. So if you like this analysis, please don't forget like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.